Hi, I'm Nick Gardner. I'm the Senior Site Manager from the Goldsmith Group, working alongside Berkeley Homes on the restoration of the stables buildings in Trent Park. The main scope of our works is the facade of the building, which is the brickwork, the stonework and the window restoration, as well as the install of new steel critter windows, new timber windows and new specialist joinery and new stonework to suit existing openings. As the layout has changed from stables to a college to high-end apartments. So lots of structural alterations, but still retaining the original facade, original details, internal details. And we've all enjoyed restoring really a one-off building, a stables building with its own clock tower and post box and some beautiful original features.
Once complete, the stable block will take its final form of 7 luxury converted homes set in the beautiful surroundings of the wider Trent Park.